So I just stumbled upon this agent development kit web UI, and it's designed to make developing AI agents easier. I mean, how cool is that?
Right? The idea of blending agent development with a more software-like approach is fascinating. It's like giving developers a familiar toolset.
Exactly, and it's modular and model agnostic, which opens up so many possibilities. I wonder how that impacts compatibility with existing frameworks.
It's definitely a game changer, but I'm curious about the trade-offs. Are there limitations to this flexibility?
That's a good point. I think it could complicate things if developers need to juggle multiple frameworks. But wait, does this mean easier debugging too?
Yes, the built-in developer UI promises to simplify debugging, but how much easier can it really get? What about those tricky bugs?
I imagine it helps streamline the process, but nothing replaces thorough testing. How do they handle that with the toolkit?
They mention some testing quirks that need to be followed to maintain compatibility. It sounds like a bit of a learning curve there.
True, but isn't that part of the development journey? I mean, we all have to climb that hill at some point.
That's fair, but I do wonder if new developers might feel overwhelmed. Any advice for easing into it?
They recommend starting with the prerequisites like installing Node.js and NPM. It's a solid foundation.
Makes sense, but what if they miss a step? Could that lead to some frustrating roadblocks?
Definitely, missing a prerequisite could derail the whole process. It's like setting up a new game, one wrong cable, and you're stuck.
Oh, absolutely. And what about those sample projects? They could be a great way to learn.
Exactly, those samples can guide you through practical applications. It's like learning by doing.
But again, there's the concern of relying too much on samples. How do you balance that with original development?
Good question, it's all about how you use them, right? They should be a starting point, not the final destination.
Agreed. I think the key lies in experimenting after understanding the samples. It encourages creativity.
Totally, speaking of creativity, the flexibility of the ADK could lead to some innovative agents. Can you imagine the possibilities?
For sure. But I wonder how the integration with Google services might influence that creativity.
That's interesting. They mention it's optimized for Google's ecosystem, which could be a double-edged sword.
Right, while it makes it easier to use certain features, it might also limit innovation outside that ecosystem.
Exactly, it's like being given a toolbox, but only having tools for a specific project. What happens when you need something else?
That could be a hurdle. I guess it's all about finding the right balance between convenience and flexibility.
Well put, and let's not forget the community aspect. They encourage contributions. How vital is that?
Super important. A diverse input can lead to richer development. But what if the guidelines for contributions are too strict?
That's a valid concern. Overly strict guidelines can stifle creativity and discourage new contributors.
Exactly. It's a delicate balance between maintaining quality and allowing for innovation.
Speaking of innovation, the documentation looks extensive. That could really help bridge gaps for developers.
Yeah, comprehensive docs are a lifeline, but it's also about how accessible that information is. Does it engage?
That's true. Clear, engaging documentation can make all the difference in how quickly someone can get up to speed.
And let's be honest, nothing beats a good tutorial. You know, hands-on guides can often be more effective than text.
Absolutely, video tutorials or interactive content can enhance the learning experience dramatically.
It's like gamifying the learning process. That keeps developers motivated and engaged.
Exactly, it's all about making it fun and intuitive. So what do you think the future holds for ADK?
With its current trajectory, I see it evolving into a go-to platform for AI development, but it must adapt to user needs.
That's a solid outlook. I think they need to keep embracing innovation while listening to their developer community.
For sure, it's about evolving with the developers and their challenges. This could shape the future of AI agents.
Totally, and I can't wait to see where this journey takes us. There's so much potential.
Absolutely. Let's keep an eye on it and see what groundbreaking agents come out of this.
Definitely, who knows what amazing creations are just around the corner.